Hi, this is Yes Coding. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Developer Tool in modern browser. This series consists of 4 videos. I'd like to share my tips on using Developer Tool based on my experience. Development environment are macOS and Chrome. Open the tool first. Using this button, you can choose the dock side. Here on this bar, there are 9 tabs. Today we're gonna take a look at Elements tab. Website or web application has HTML and 99% of them has CSS elements. HTML is like a skeleton of page. CSS is like your hairstyle, fashion style, etc. If you are a front-end developer, one of your main job is to build HTML and CSS and beautify them. To do this, of course, we need to understand things we need to make and where we put them. Elements tab helps it. Let's say that you are working in CNN.com. Web designer has just asked to you, I think the front page is a little bit messy. There are 3 columns now, but I would like to try 2 columns because it would be simpler. Could you make it for me? Alright, this is a skeleton example. You don't have to go to your code file to test it. First step is to take a look at current status inside Developer Tools. Open the tool and click this Inspect button and hover on the part you want to check. If you hover this section, you can see the blue square here overlapping here. This means that the 3 columns inside this section. So go deeper, deeper. Okay, we've just found our 3 columns here. So you just decide, hide this part. So click this one and at the right side. If you write down here, then you can override any styles as you want of this clicked part elements. So here, display none. See, you've just removed the 3rd columns here, but you might have thinking that this part seems a little bit empty, so go to 2nd part and let's make this part more wider. So alright, now we've just changed this part into 2 columns. You've just simulate changing skeleton of this page. Now you feel this new page seems good, so captured it and sent to your coworker. The designer seems happy about it, but say again, okay, this page seems much better, but I feel the title a little bit boring. Could you make it bigger? Okay, now this is a style example. Let's inspect the title. So here, go to this styles panel. We can see every style rule related to this element, but it's a little bit difficult to find. Okay, here font size, but the easier way to find the style which are actually rendered on this element, go to computed panel, then here these are actually rendered to this element, so it's easier to find. So now font size is 38.94 pixels, so go to the styles and override font size 50 pixel. So see, the title became bigger. And now we made the title more noticeable, and we just made this front page HTML markup more simpler. But again, the designer came to you and said it looks better, but I don't like title in mobile version. I think the title should be left aligned in mobile version. Ah, because this website is responsive design. So if you click this button, you can see the mobile version website looks like different. In modern browser, we can test how our website looks like on specific device, like here Galaxy, iPhone, and also you can test by clicking this one. This means the browser width. So let's choose mobile small version, and let's try to change this title. Okay, let's inspect this part in same way we did, and here let's override text align left. Alright, you've just override the title text align style here, and show it to designer. If you get confirmed by designer, then you may go to your file and modify code. To test on browser first helps you work faster like this. The last thing you need to remember is TBR. TBR means think before refresh. In developer world, a lot of developers suffering from the refreshing page without save every day. When you test on developer tools elements tab, if you refresh the page, things you've done will be gone. Like this. So always remember TBR. Alright, today we checked how to use Element tab in Development Tool. There are also other panels on this Element tab, so if you have more time, I recommend you to search about them as well. Happy coding!